Hello, welcome back to another vlog. Yup, you guessed it, another shopping vlog, your guys' favorites. I just did a whole closet declutter because it's getting fall, because the seasons are changing, it's getting a little bit colder, and all I have are little tank tops that show half of my stomach and half of my boobies. So we need to fix that and actually get some proper clothes. This is the current outfit. We have this bag. It's like a vintage Dior one from Into Archive. Into Archive is like a vintage store online. And then I have this jacket. It's Adidas and it's also vintage from this store in New York called Pro Cell. And then I'm just wearing this like New Balance anorak jacket. I think that's what it's called, from Kohl's. And then I have these low-rise pants from Brandy Melville, and then just some New Balance 550s. All right, let's head out. Sorry if this vlog is so hectic. I am hectic, so it kind of explains everything. Anyways, these are all of the clothes that I'm donating because I have this rule where it's like if I go shopping and buy new clothes, then I have to get rid of some clothes so that it doesn't build up and have excess clutter, because that is how I make my cleaning my room at 2 a.m. videos. And yes, those videos may be entertaining, but we all know that when I make one of those videos, it is because my mental health is not in the best shape. So I am trying to look out for myself and be proactive instead of letting it get to that point of being overwhelmed and anxious all the time because my house is very messy because I have too many clothes. But the crazy thing is, like, I don't think that I go shopping very often, but somehow clothes keep accumulating, and I don't know how that's happening. But this is gonna be my first like fall/winter in New York. I did experience a little bit of winter here last year, but it was when I was just moving here. So I was literally just re-wearing the same sweaters and hoodies and jackets. And last year I lived in LA, so I don't really have a fall or winter wardrobe. I realized that today when I was getting dressed, and I was like, oh my gosh, I keep re-wearing the same sweater. And I went to an appointment and the lady was like, wow, you must really like that sweater. You wore it the last time that you were here too. And I was just like, oh, nice. Didn't know we were keeping track. Anyways, shopping time. Oh my God, I should have changed my tampon. No, I'm actually such an idiot sandwich. Do you guys know when you can just feel that you're bleeding? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I just lost my wallet. I checked my purse. It is not here. Oh my God, I see it. Thank God. Thank you. Hi. Oh my gosh, I love meeting you guys. Literally, if you guys ever see me, please say hi, because genuinely it makes my day so much better. Because like, also low-rise pants are not the vibe, because tell me why my granny panties are showing every single time. Like I have to hold up my pants. Oh my God. I always watched you. Wait, really? Yeah. You're so pretty, by the way. Like your face texture, your teeth, your eyebrows, everything. Yeah. I love meeting you guys. Like I don't know if you guys can tell by the smile on my face, probably because I look like an idiot right now, smiling with like a camera. Like actually, let me show you guys how fat this looks. You see this? I look like an idiot when I vlog. Alright, currently I'm headed to 2nd Street to meet up with Pokimane. If you guys don't know her, what the f are you doing living under a rock? I'm so excited to meet up with her. But we are meeting at this vintage store called 2nd Street, and I've never been here before, but I've heard people talk about it, so I'm super excited. Shopping commences now. I've never been here before, but I feel like the store has like really cool high-end pieces, but probably for like a cheaper price just to use. And I feel like this is just right up my alley. Like this is the stuff that I'd be buying. Oh my God, I love these, but I probably never wear them. This is so sick. I probably should try selling my clothes here. I literally don't even know where to start though. Like I feel like there's so much stuff. I love this, but the thing is, I have such a short neck, so I look like shit in turtlenecks, but this color is so cute. This is so cute, like a little off the shoulder moment, but also look at the price. $129. It's really good quality though, but $129? I don't like that. This cardigan is adorable. It's only $9. But like, to be honest, I don't really be wearing browns like that. No luck in the sweater section. Maybe we'll have better luck in the men's section. I'm so tempted right now to like look through the jackets and like buy some shoes because they're so cute. But the thing is, I know that I don't need it, and I know that I'm gonna be mad at myself after for buying it because like I need to wear the clothes that I already have in my closet first. Okay, I accidentally sent her the wrong location. I told her to meet at Soho, but my dumb bitch was at NoHo. So we're gonna meet up at Kith now because I am an idiot. Quickly before I go anywhere else, I'm going to stop at Duane Reade, which is kind of like a Walgreens or like a Shoppers Drug Mart if you're Canadian, and pick up some lashes because I ran out of my favorite lashes, and literally first world problems, but I do not know what to do when I don't have my lashes on me. I thought they didn't have any left. They do. The Kiss 11s. I had to get my passport pictures retaken, and do you guys ever like look at like a legit picture of yourself and you're like, why is my face so uneven? Like, what the fuck? I did not know I looked like that. Oh my gosh, this restaurant here has like the viral TikTok croissants that I've been seeing everywhere, but there's always such a long line and you can only get them like one per person. But I've seen them and I want to try them, but I don't know if I want to wait in the line or not. I see her. Hello. You're just so cute. All right, currently we're in Kith. We're shopping. There are so many cute things in here right now.
Like you.
Oh my god. Girl, she's too smooth. She's too smooth. But yeah, we're shopping right now. Okay, there's so many cute shoes that I want to buy, but like, I don't know about you, but I have way too many clothes.
My new rule is no online shopping. You have to buy it in store and you have to love it.
That's actually a really good rule because I feel like on online, you can just like add it to the cart
I
so
know.
quick.
And I know myself, I'll return it, I'll return it. I never,
okay, maybe we both are gonna be more conscious and responsible. Like, these shoes, so sick, but no. Because the thing is, I have too many shoes already. I don't need any more shoes.
I'm not gonna lie, as much as I love New Balances, they're a little past the precipice of height. So I'm like, I wanna find something new.
Wait, I have these heels, but in gold. By the way, don't ever buy these because they're the most uncomfortable shoes ever.
I'm gonna put all my weight on it.
Right? And like it bends and shit. Not cute. This is so cute with the turtleneck. Got 2 carne asada tacos. Apparently these are like some of the best tacos in New York. What do you think? Is it good?
They're pretty good.
I mean, I feel like in LA, like that's like where the best tacos are at though.
Cheers.
Wait, so we just got the fall cookie. I think it's made out of like cinnamon and like nutmeg. Cheers. The Bane Bakery literally has the best cookies in New York and I've said it before, but I love them. This is so cute. Alright, I have all these things to try on. Let's do it. Okay, these are vintage trench coats that are cropped. Basically, in the store, they'll take like vintage things and then customize it a little bit to make it its own, but I really like this. This is sick. I can't tell if I like this one better. I feel like there's more shape here, but... Alright, these are some like ultra low-rise pants. You guys can see that they were like custom cut and everything, but I feel like if I walk, my ass is really gonna fall out, so... Okay, this one really cute on you. I'm literally about to say, oh my god, this one makes me look like a brick, but I like the idea of it. Maybe this could be cute to like layer or something, or else my boobie's gonna fall out, but it's cute. I love how basic this shirt is, and I just like love red and like the texture of this. I feel like one of these shirts are the types of shirts that I wear all the time and like over and over again. Okay, it's another day now and we're in Soho, but we're gonna go into Garage. They actually just opened this location pretty recently, but if you guys don't know, I'm from Canada and that's where Garage originated, and I used to wear their clothes all the time. Why is this so basic? Oh, hell no.
You should get that top.
I heart me. No, I think it looks really good.
I like it.
Ow, 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 ow.
Sorry, is it in your earring?
Yeah, it's in my hair.
Oh. And I don't know how to get it out. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is terrible.
Nice. These are so adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. If you guys don't know, I like love miniature things. This is so fucking cute. I always love going into an Asian store.
Pika pika, Pikachu.
This is dangerous. I just want to buy things to buy things. My favorite shoe ever is the Jordan 4 Sales, but I have completely wrecked mine. I used to be such a sneakerhead.
I used to be such a sneakerhead.
It fits so well as well, yeah. Yeah. It's good for the... Oh, yeah.
Not y'all reviewing it. Thank you. Y'all see that? Just complimented the hoodie. When I'm telling y'all this hoodie is not a regular schmegular hoodie, I mean it. I'm telling you, it's different. The fit is different.
Not regular schmegular.
I'm gonna sound like I'm gassing myself so hard right now, but whenever I give like my friend my hoodie, they always actually wear it.
Oh, I love it. I've worn this like 4 days and it's like...
Y'all, the next drop is November 24th. Y'all better get it. We're currently headed to the Apple store because I'm going to get a new iPhone because my iPhone literally doesn't work anymore. Okay, so I just went to the Apple store to try to fix my iPhone because the bitch is full. I just got it like 3 months ago and like y'all don't give a fuck, but basically the iPhone iCloud sucks ass. Thank you, Apple. I'm gonna switch to Android. No, I'm not. I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Do you guys have the Dyson Airwrap in stock right now? They're not letting me record, y'all, but I ran out of this and I want to get it. It's the Harry Styles clone, the one that Harry Styles uses, and it smells so good. But then this one smells like sunscreen and I love the smell of this one too. But I also have a crippling perfume addiction. I don't need anymore, but I want it.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me. I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, I'm sending them but the best.